Hello, good afternoon to all of us students. Today I want to tell about the today's one lesson that the what is the use of practical, how to prepare practical lesson in ML 105. So I'm displaying you the name of the practical and the process how to write. First, I want to display that the performa how to write the practical file. That name of the paper is communication and yoga education. That is the to create it. That is you have to write the cover page and subtitle and certificate acknowledgement, and this is the index. Either you have to put this Xerox copy, or other option is that you put in the practical file in handwritten. So this is the serial number, content, page number, sign and remarks like the certificate, knowledge, index that have you already told. Index, introduction to the of the practical, objective of the practical, that I will supply also the objective of what are the objectives of the practical. These are the topics that you should we have to write, that communication skill, concept of communication, modes of communication, types of communication, communication cycle, and communication skill activity, activity 1, activity 2, activity 3. That is the name of the activity, introducing self. Second activity, a story of your name. Third activity, a story from picture, that I will told later. That first part is yoga education, what we have to study. In introduction of yoga education, you have to write in your practical, that I will tell you detail later. And activity 1, yoga and personality development, worksheet on personality, that you have to fill up, I will supply. And worksheet on personality, activity 2, yoga, pranayam and stress management, and worksheet on stress. This activity has divided in two parts. One is the activity to perform yoga and write up it, and other is to you, you have to fill one worksheet. Activity 3 is value education, self development through yoga, and activity 4 is worksheet on value education. And these are other the topics about yoga education that you have to write if you wish to. Whatever you want to write, you can write. That this is not necessary that you can write a specific so many pages one topic. That report on guest lecture, that will be organized in our college. Conclusion, self experience, bibliography, and I will see the part that the file. I will show what are the objectives you have to write in practical file. It will display as it has display and objective of the course. 1 minute. To impart instruction in excellent way, to acquiring associate skills, to acquire skills for conduct of interaction sessions, to able to use own energy for self-development, concentrate on focused activity, organized manner, and different sessions for using communication aids. That what are the activities? I want to display one, that introducing self. And That is the worksheet for introducing cells. You have to prepare about the yourself, how to introduce. We will check according to this criteria, that fluency, confidence, organization of content, and presentation. This is the evaluation sheet, that according to your performance in one lecture, I have 5 minute presentation. And first I will display how to present, how to start the presentation, how to positive effect, how to tell about the SWOT analysis, the different weaknesses, tell about the family and other persons, educational qualification, etc. This is the first activity. The name of the activity is introducing self. This will we prepared in communication section. That is the this paper is divided in two sections. One communication skill and other is yoga education. And so first activity introducing self, and second activity will display. Second activity a story from picture, that we have to prepare the objective of the what is the story from picture, that the objective of the story from picture, this is for improve the communication skill, to encourage and development of emotions and feeling in a learner, to enhance one's visualization capacity and imagination, to improve views practice a lot their gesture expression, to engage everyone in a story, for gain new learning style, to create joyful learning situation for everyone, to introduce the vocabulary and make understanding easier. This I will supply on the one picture, and you have to display different types, uh, what are the emotions, and make one story. That's okay. And one other activity, that the name of the activity is story from a story about your name. What are the story, your names, that have no. And other part is activity in yoga education, that will be I will display. And first activity will be gunas. What are the gunas? Sattva, raj, tamas, and you have to fill up these worksheet. These are the worksheet. Strength, qualities, weakness, and other is you have to write different qualities and divided into three parts. One question or and match the qualities you and your friends have written about you. If any difference in notice, discuss with your friend and then reach your own conclusion. Prepare a list of qualities which are agreed upon by you and your friend. That is a common, that your friend, what you are saying about you, and what you are discussing about yourself. And divide them into the categories of Sattva, Raj, Tamas. This is a coding system that we have tell, that Sattva Gun, Rajas Gun, and Tamas Gun. We have to divide in categories these qualities, and you have to write. This is the activity one. And we are displaying another activity, that stress management. Yes, you have to also fill up one worksheet along with the activities. These activities you have to write name, roll number, and you have to write on the worksheet these questions that I have written, that what was the imagination, thinking style, and which preventing happiness. You have to write your thinking style. And second question is, have you experienced any change in your behavior, and which symptoms did you have that time during activities and after the activities, and what did you do to come out from these situations? What are the relations between stress and performance? And other questions is, how can you recognize that a person is undergoing stress? And that is over. And next is some the questions that you have to write before going sleep. Contemplate and write in the following columns. When I have to going to see daily routine, that is the daily routine. And thoughts, positive, negative, impact of thoughts. Which thought are dominated you are during last 7 days, like positive, negative. Are you satisfied with other thoughts and your friends thoughts pattern? Do you think that you need to change your thinking pattern? And that is the second worksheet. Third activity is value education. Here we will wait displaying that that is the third activity in yoga education. And third activity in communication, and third in yoga education, that value education through yoga and pranayam. What is the usage of yoga and pranayam, and it's improving about our values. That see the one question I have prepared. You have to write that, sit you for 10 minutes to do self introspection, write down the feelings and outcomes. Second question, you have to write, explain in your words the relevance of either Shraddha and empathy. Write down its relevance in present day scenario. Shraddha, I will tell you what is Shraddha and empathy. Empathy, that I will feel others like you. Others feeling and our feelings the same, like animals. I have to familiarize. If anybody hurt that animal, I feel their pains. That is the empathy. And Shraddha, that uh, I will respect others like all others, like our family, our child, own child. That is Shraddha. Third question is to observe your mind for some 10 minutes. Note down what is busy doing, how it jumps from one thought to the other. Narrate the story based on any of the values that you have followed or do you want to follow. If everyone likes it and support your behavior. This is a question that you have to prepare. And fifth question is any relation between the values and concentration or not? Write down it. It depends on you. You have to prepare well, and that is the third activity. And I have tell all content of practical. I have displayed it. That is the that is the modification of uh, that I have shown earlier. That content, certificate, objective of the practical communication skill, concept and communication, modes of communication, types of communication, process, activity. That is a 3 activities. Story from of your name, story from the picture, introducing self, and other activity yoga education like Gunal that I have told you that some activities will be performed, and I have displayed 3 worksheet that you have to prepare and arrange like one by one. Prepare one guest lecture that will be arranged in our college. Experience of the practical, conclusion, and bibliography, that what are the sources that have you write your answers, that these are these are the these are all of about the our practical work that I have to done in 105 paper, that what I have to do, that I have to prepare, that I have introduced first your how to prepare index, and according to these index we have to prepare one practical file, that I have told earlier, that many 3 activities in communication and yoga, and 3 activities in yoga, and 3 communication skill. Under the communication I have already told that introducing self, and what are the story, make a story from the picture, there make a story from your name. That is the easy, very easy, that you have to introduce only, how to introduce or make your communication skill better. That is not to test your knowledge, but it will be help to improve or enhance your communication skill. And that the, if you have any query you want to ask, you can ask anytime. We will help available about any type of help. That what I have told today about the practical of paper MED 105. Thank you. Have you got what I have you tell? If you have any doubt, you can ask different activities. What I have displayed you, that is the content. You have to prepare one content about this according to this performer. That that is the that some important points that you have to write, that experience about the practical, first introduce practical, and then introduce the particular topic yoga education, and then communication skill, that experience report, that is guest lecture, and experience about the practical, or you have to conclude in better to how to your experience. That is the difference between the experience about the practical and conclusion. uh, we have to write that whatever starting, and what are the your conclusion, and conclude only. Do you have to write summary about the all of the activities what you have done, and the last you have to prepare one reference list of references, that is bibliography, that in which sources you have write this practical. That have you got? So this practical is very important. This will improve your activity also for life skill, improving your life skill and change your thoughts. And during the COVID-19 period, you can understand your thoughts, your values, and if you have too many works on time that you got confused. Anybody can got confused. What are the how to do, how, what to do, what not to do. Thank you. I want to close this lecture. Today's lecture is over. Thank you. I will see again.